I was asked if I could do a tutorial on how I did this little charm dangle on this beadable pin. So I had shown it when I did a tutorial for this massive chunky charm, which I am so in love with and so proud of. It is a whole little dangle, then 1 chain, 2 chains, and here is that 3rd chain. So if you want to see how I made this, go check out my little 3 chain chunky charm tutorial. I'll also leave it linked down below for you guys. So I can't do it exactly the same because I don't have this little teardrop one. I did use the other one right here, and that's how that came in this kit. So this kit came from BeeBeeCraft. And this is what I have left over from making this little chunky charm right here. So these and these two are from this set right here that I also got from BeeBeeCraft. So these are supposed to be for bracelets, but they have such a large hole that I went ahead and I used them for my beadable pin. And they are such a nice size that they fit in the bottom of the pin just so nicely right here. And then this large bubblegum bead I got in my last haul from them. It came in a whole little pack with a bunch of other beads this size. And then this pearl was from a kit back at Christmas time that I had got. So let's jump in and let's go ahead and make this little dangle right here. So this kit was gorgeous. I loved it. It was meant to be for bracelets, and it even gives you the instruction sheet, but I went and I did it for what I like to do. I like to do chunky charms, and I like to do beadable pins. So in here, this little charm topper actually came in the bracelet kit. So that's this one right here. And this little charm also came in there. Let me pull that out. So it has a nice variety of charms. You see, there's this like little 4-leaf clover and resin. There is the little attachment dangle. Here's just a regular clover. There's the enamel clover, a larger one. And then here is that gorgeous one that has the double loop right there. I love that one so much. So we'll probably use some of these because I'm trying to figure out what I want to do down here. I might just dangle this other little ball charm right there instead, since I don't have another little teardrop right there. So we are going to take our pliers. We're going to go to our jump ring, find the opening, which is right there, and I'm going to just twist that apart. I'm going to attach, I think I want to do this one. Maybe I want more green, and I could use the larger enamel one. I think I'll do that one. So I'm just going to attach those together, twist that close. Yeah, I think I like that. Nice and green. So we have that there. And then for this piece right here, you're going to need some rhinestone spacers. That's what I have right here in the middle, which are these right here, which you can also get off of BeeBeeCrafts. And we will do... And over here in the kit, it does have eye pins and head pins. So this one that is flat is a head pin. And then this one with the loop is the eye pin. So this kit came with everything that you need. So we're going, and then look at this bead. It has like that cat eye effect to it. So it shifts, just gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our cat eye bead first. Then we're going to put a rhinestone spacer. I'm going to use this bead right here. That is a beautiful glass. Then we're going to put another rhinestone spacer. Then I'm going to put another one of those little cat eye ones. Put that there. So that's how we have our little stack which is this one right here. And then with our round nose pliers, I go right to the edge of the wire and I hold it in between my round nose pliers and I just roll it down. See, so it's just going to start rolling, and we're going to roll all the way down until we get to the base of our bead, which is right there. So that's how that charm looks like. And then we just need to go ahead and attach everything. I wish I had another one of these so I could duplicate it exactly the same, but it's the same process. You guys get the idea. You're going to, like this one you stick on a head pin because you don't need that bottom loop. So you can see there is the flat part. So that one's just on a head pin. Then we're going to go through and we are going to go ahead and attach everything. If my fingers could work and I stopped dropping everything, my goodness. Let's see. So we're going to twist that open. We're going to take our little, see how large that is? Because this was supposed to go on a bracelet too. So we're going to take that. We're going to attach our bead right there. I'm going to close that off. And then we just need another jump ring so we can now attach everything. Okay, so we're going to take our charm right here. We're going to put our jump ring right in there. Then we're going to attach our charms like that. We're just going to go ahead and close that jump ring off. So make sure it's on there. Yep, that's good. So there is our little dangle. So I'm going to take this one apart so I can show you how to put the whole thing together if we were doing it from scratch. So here's just a side-by-side comparison of our little charms. So we have our loop. We have our stacked 3 bead. We have that same double little shamrock. And then on this one, like I said, I didn't have that little teardrop, so I put a charm. Or you could go ahead and do a little bead dangle. And then when you get your beadable pins, which they do sell on BeeBeeCrafts, they're going to come looking like this. It's just the pin, it has the ink in there already, and then here's the top. So you're just going to go ahead and twist off the top until that comes off. And then you want to find a bead that is large enough, because if your bead is too small, it will sink down and rest in the pin. So you can see that there is like a little opening down there. So that's why I like these larger beads, because they do fit perfectly in there. So you see like the edge of that silver, it just kind of fits snug right in there. So we're going to put that one on. And then you want to make sure that you have beads with a large enough hole. So these bubblegum beads are perfect for that as well. Then I'm going to put another one of those beads that is meant for a bracelet. Then here is my pearl that has a large hole. So I'm going to put that one there. And then we're going to go ahead and attach our new dangle that we just made, which is this one right here. You see there's a large hole, so it just kind of shifts around in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and just twist the top back on till it goes all the way down. And you'll know when it's on because you won't be able to twist it anymore, but you don't want to force it either because you don't want to end up cracking anything. So there is our little beadable pin right there. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out anytime. If you have any suggestions on a video you want to see, like this Subby asked me if I can show how I made my little dangle, which is what this video is about. If you ever want a tutorial on anything that I make, or even if something I have not made, you know, I might be able to still make a tutorial for you guys. So just let me know down below in the comments, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Like I said, I do have a coupon code with BeeBeeCrafts. It is Nicole10, and I'll leave a link down below to all the products that I got in my last haul. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.